Hello and welcome back to Les Douceurs de Boussy. Today, I'd like to get straight to the point with this wonderful ginger pepper. It's easy to make, it's quick to make, and above all, it will surprise your taste buds and your guests. For a small bowl of ginger peppers, you'll need 4 hot peppers, a finger of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 or 4 tablespoons oil, in this case olive oil. Peel your ginger finger using a knife or the handle of a spoon. To get a better idea of the size of this ginger finger, take a look at how it compares to my index finger. And then, when you finish peeling it and rinsing it in clean water, cut it into pieces. Cut your 4 garlic cloves into pieces too. Once you've done this, set up your mortar and pestle and add the fresh chilies. Salt, garlic, and ginger pieces and start pounding. Pound with your right hand if you're right-handed, with your left hand if you're left-handed. Then, with your other hand, pick up your phone and subscribe if you haven't already. It'll give me great pleasure. It'll support the channel. And while you're at it, click on the bell so you don't miss any notifications or news about your channel when you realize that all your ingredients are well mashed. Transfer them to a container. Then add 2 tablespoons of lime juice and the 3 tablespoons of olive oil or the oil of your choice. At this point, all you have to do is mix well for a good minute. And you can already enjoy it with a whole range of dishes. Frying, grilling, steaming, rice, and more. A real all-rounder that you can even keep in the fridge for a few days. I hope you enjoyed it. In any case, you have no excuse not to try it. On that note, I'll leave you with my best wishes for the day or evening, and I'll see you soon.